The Naughty Car Wash. Once upon a giggly day, in the bustling town of Joyville, there stood a magical car wash. But this wasn't your ordinary car wash. Oh no, it was the Naughty Car Wash. It had a mischievous streak, playing pranks on its customers. One sunny morning, a long line of colourful cars formed at the Naughty Car Wash. There were polka-dotted cars, rainbow-striped cars, and even a car shaped like a giant ice cream cone. Each driver eagerly awaited their turn, unaware of the misadventure about to unfold. As the first car entered, the Naughty Car Wash cackled mischievously and, with a sly wink, malfunctioned. Suddenly, water spluttered in every direction. Hoses sprayed wildly, and soap bubbles erupted like a playful frenzy. The drivers, taken by surprise, scrambled to escape the watery chaos, but the Naughty Car Wash had other plans. It aimed its nozzles at the sky, spinning and twirling, showering everyone in a spectacular spray of rainbow-coloured water. Giggles filled the air as the car owners emerged, drenched but laughing uncontrollably. The polka-dotted car driver looked like a walking rainbow, while the ice cream cone car turned into a melting masterpiece. Children nearby cheered and clapped, thoroughly entertained by the unexpected show. Even the Naughty Car Wash seemed to chuckle, its nozzles emitting a final burst of confetti before it calmed down. From that day on, the Naughty Car Wash became famous for its unpredictable antics. People lined up not just to get their cars cleaned, but also to experience the joyous splash of its mischievous surprises. And as for the soap drivers, they joined in on the fun, returning for more laughter-filled adventures at the one-of-a-kind Naughty Car Wash in Joyville. The end.